I love crunchy, salty, crispy tortilla chips, but it's so hard to stop eating them. And the oil they are fried in, along with not being able to control my portions, makes my blood sugar and my weight go up. So I stopped eating them until now because my husband makes the most delicious oil-free baked tortilla chips. Let me show you how he makes it. So that's 8 chips per tortilla. And then we put these on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. The water helps the salt or your spices stick to the tortillas. So we're putting them into a cold oven for 350 degrees. The chips are done, so they've been in the oven for about 15 minutes. Did not flip them, and you can see how crispy they are. All right, time to test it. Let's see here. Nice and crispy. Really crispy. So you want to eat this right away while it's warm. I compared one of my favorite tortilla chips from late July, which contained sunflower oil. 2 ounces of their tortilla chips is 260 calories and 12 grams of fat. That's a lot of fat. And chips are usually just a side or snack. I try to limit my fat grams to 10 grams per meal. The tortilla chips we make contain no oil, 2.4 ounces, so you get more chips, is 180 calories and only 2 grams of fat. I'll be making a video on how to saute without oil, and if you want healthy recipes, check out my book, The High Five Diet. At the end screen, I'll link my recipe playlist and a workout you may enjoy, because you can't just eat your way to health. You gotta move too.